The remaining steps are picking the basic missions and finally going live. In the basic mission section, you'll see the default missions we picked out to showcase how the loyalty platform works. I'll talk more about creating and managing missions in the next video. For now, you can just accept the default missions and go live to see your program in action. There are 3 possible ways to go live: with an Enable3 hosted widget, the mobile SDK or user token integration, and the direct API integration. The first one is the easiest, which allows you to launch a widget in days. The other 2 require a little bit of work from your development team. Please consult our documentation for more details. The link is in the video's description. Stay tuned to discover more about setting up your widget and configuring a successful loyalty program.